Introduction. HTML5 offers a multitude of event attributes to define specific actions. Onclick is a JavaScript HTML event attribute that triggers a specific JavaScript function when an HTML element is clicked on. It's used in various contexts like opening a new page, displaying a message, changing an element's color, etc. Understanding the Onclick attribute. Onclick attribute is an integral part of the interactivity of web pages. Its primary function is to call upon a specific JavaScript function when a user clicks on an element. The code within the Onclick attribute is executed when the event happens, adding a dynamic aspect to the static HTML elements. Basic syntax: tag Onclick script, where tag is any HTML tag and script is the JavaScript code or function to be executed. Implementing Onclick attribute. Examples. Example 1. Button Onclick alert. You clicked the button. Click me button. Here, alert function is called when the button is clicked, displaying an alert box with the message. Example 2. Button Onclick click me button, followed by a script defining display message function. Here, Onclick calls the external JavaScript function display message, displaying an alert box with the message. Tips and common pitfalls. Ensure to close the attribute's quotes properly to avoid syntax errors. Don't forget to include the parentheses after the function name in the Onclick attribute. HTML is case sensitive, so Onclick must be written in all lowercase letters. Avoid using Onclick for complex JavaScript functions. Instead, define the function within a script tag or an external JavaScript file and call it using Onclick. Conclusion. Onclick attribute in HTML5 adds interactivity to web pages. By understanding its syntax and usage and avoiding common pitfalls, it can be utilized to its full potential to create engaging dynamic web content.